Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch on Monday, January 2nd, the year 2023 on our planet. So, to answer someone's question, what will be the effects of the next incoming CME? I'll give you a brief explanation. Unlike someone else who would say, go check the playlist, without understanding there are newcomers each and every day. So I will take the time to explain. In reference to the CME, coronal mass ejection, that was ejected from the sun about a day ago. So first I'm going to show you a video of the Space Weather Prediction Center Emerald Spiral, which will show you the direction and density of the next incoming coronal mass ejection. The center point, of course, being the sun. The green diamond is our Earth. And I will just play this video first and I'll give you an explanation. So the plasma stream ejected may or may not hit us full force right here. It looks like we might get a little bit of a side swipe. Now, as for the timing, this timing here is universal time. Now, before I get into the timing, the average speed a CME takes to reach the Earth is 15 to 72 hours. However, this one seems to be taking its time. 4 to 5 days traveling time. Now, it looks like we're going to get a double peak hit, the first one being on January 3rd at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then the brunt of the punch on January 4th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, North American time. So for the West Coast of North America, whatever this says, universal time, you deduct or minus 7 hours. Now, the resulting impact on our planet has a number of variables, which include direction, whether it's Earth facing or not, the density of the plasma stream, the speed, and the strength of our protective magnetosphere. So to answer the question, how is it going to affect us? How bad it's going to be? Well, again, it depends on what side of the Earth it's going to first hit, the strength of the magnetic field over that region of the Earth. So let's stick with the effects on us humans first, on our brain. And on my playlist, if you want a more detailed explanation, you will find one there. As it often happens when a coronal mass ejection hits and interacts with our protective magnetosphere, it does have an impact on the human brain, both neurologically and neuropsychologically. Neurologically, it can be headaches, migraines, vertigo, general feeling of being unwell. The neuropsychological effects can be mood swings, bouts of anger, irrational behavior, even rage in some people. It is important to realize that those with pre-existing mental health conditions are more susceptible to the geomagnetic storm conditions. And I am speaking from experience. If you have any children who might have autism, OCD, depression, anxiety, ADHD, etc. So again, how bad it's going to be, I don't think this one's going to be all that bad, and I will give you an analogy. Now, if the CME just gives us a little bit of a side impact, it's like the wife giving you a little soft tease in the side of the head with a pillow. If it is directly earth-facing, you're going to get a different response. You're going to get this one. Frying pan, right in the face. I don't think we're going to encounter her in a couple of days. I think it's going to be more of a little tease. Again, I don't think we have to worry about her. Because as it looks, we're just going to get nicked. Now again, the one thing that's different about this one is the speed. The speed is going to be relatively 500 kilometers per second. Whereas the speed of incoming CMEs can be up to 800 kilometers per second. Therefore, a softer blow. So to answer your question on what to expect, starting perhaps tomorrow evening at 10 p.m. West Coast time. The other effects, of course, are going to be as the cosmic rays penetrates the Earth's crust and causes a bubble nucleation of the silica-rich magma. We can expect, therefore, the usual deep earthquake activity, as if we already don't have enough happening right now. But we're more concerned right now about the neurological and neuropsychological effects on the human brain. That's it for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed this little video.